Prestige Estate Projects is coming out with an IPO. The issue opens today and closes on 14th of October. The issue size is 200 crore and the price band is in the range of 172 to 183. Post issue, it's a equity dilution of 20% for the promoters. It's a Bangalore-based real estate company with a strong brand name and a proven execution skills. Over the last 5 years, they have executed around 16 to 17 million square feet. They have a land bank of around 40 million square feet in the South Indian market, out of which 73% of the land bank is located in the Bangalore city. We believe Prestige will be a key beneficiary with the IT/ITES sector in the recovery phase with major recruitment happening in that sector. However, we still believe the commercial segment will take some time to recover, probably another 1 year. With respect to its balance sheet, they have a debt equity ratio of 2.6 times, which is quite stretched. Post issue, the debt equity ratio will come down to 1x. It's pretty high as compared to its peer group. It's followed joint development model with respect to the land acquisition strategy, because of which its operating margins are in the range of 20-21%. Vis-a-vis its peer group like Shobha and Purvangar, who enjoys the margin of 25-26% as their capital intensive business model. With respect to valuation, our fair NAV works out to 164 rupees per square, based on the 6,000 rupees per square feet of average realization of its 40 million square feet and execution period of around 7 to 8 years, we assume. The stock is at the lower issue of the price band. The stock will be trading at 4% premium, and vis-a-vis the most of its peer group are trading at discount. With respect to the price to book value, the stock will be trading 2.4 times on FY12 basis, vis-a-vis its peer group, which are trading in the range of 1.5 to 2 times price to book. So we believe the issue is expensive vis-a-vis its peers, and it's trading at premium to our 1 year forward NAV. Hence we recommend avoid to the issue. Thank you.